What's the problem?
The tube leads to here, which leads to nothing.
We have no suction.
It's
Or
okay.
we have
here we
no.
go.
Wait. Okay.
So the suction comes from.
So we put it in that hole,
Is there
and then we put the shaft on the other hole.
But then we make a loop.
And we loop the dust into infinity. It's the infinity vacuum.
How the hell? Okay.
This work.
Stop trying to sneak off. I see you.
So it needs to come from here
Run.
through this.
No.
Run.
That's the only way.
Time to walk off course.
Time for a drink.
Are we missing a piece to this?
Well, there's one on the floor. Yeah, you got it.
Alright, I don't think
I don't know.
it's not this.
There's no suction, guys. Oh gosh, are you sure it can handle that?
Alright, suction location confirmed. You stay there. I just wish if I could remove this tube somehow.
A series of tubes? Yeah.
Alright, we're missing a piece.
Are we?
Where did we pull it? Was this in the
In the closet, yeah. James has no idea I'm recording him trying to fix a vacuum.
Have we not vacuumed here before?
No, I don't think we
Or
have.
have we just
We
been
did
rolling?
just get a trash can after all.
God damn. Why can't we make this work?
I mean, the barbecue works, so this has got to work, right?
Yeah, I mean, we're good at putting manly stuff together. Of course, I did just look at this thing for like 15 minutes and still don't know how to fold it up.
Oh yeah, we were supposed to put it away. Huh?
Oh,
Whoa, it stands.
okay. Okay, Autobots.
Oh, it speaks. Yeah. Come on, Bumblebee, what up? Suck, Bumblebee. Suck.
There's gotta be another tube. We're missing a Lego piece, man.
God, fucking Lego piece. Some kid probably swallowed it.
What the frick? Okay, if I was a vacuum cleaner, I would.
I think you'd sit idly by until summoned.
Yeah, I mean, you know, I guess I would until I like come alive
Wait
at
a
night.
minute. So what about?
Oh, what?
What is this? What? I broke it. It looks too small to go in those holes.
God damn.
It's a brush. I got it. It's for hair. It's a compartment for a brush for women.
Alright, so this doesn't go.
That no.
Maybe this goes in here.
I really want you to plug that in there and then turn it on and see if like the space-time continuum is warped. It's not warped. We're still here, guys.
Maybe if this is a compartment that holds things.
Well, dust.
Just dust? Is there another piece?
Or the truth. Who knows?
Uh,
Alright. I'm about to give up.
No, we can't give up. We can't surrender. I can't put this back.
You can't put this back on.
Can you put that back?
So I've been recording this, by the way. I don't think you knew that.
Oh. Oh.
Don't worry. I was recording myself also.
I think if you. Well, maybe there's a.
No! We're still losing all our air through the bottom.
Is it underneath?
Wait. No, I just realized something. Hang on. Slower, just a little bit. There's all this space in between.
Yeah?
What if it's not? What if we're losing all our suction through there?
Well, what if, like, I feel this.
Hey, there's a nail. A wild nail appears.
You got nails coming through. I just dropped it.
Yeah, I'm totally gonna put this on YouTube as two men attempt to work a vacuum cleaner.
I think we're missing. I mean, this part looks badass. This is like a.
Yeah, man.
Like, this
Holy
is
shit.
cool, man.
America!
It's like short range. Like, oh, yeah.
Oh
That's
gosh,
cool.
it's like the Nintendo, the Super Scope.
Oh yeah! Oh my gosh! See, and then this is where my expertise is done. I'm like, I know how this works because it looks
Right.
cool.
I think you did it. Now it's a lightsaber. Look at that.
Yeah. What were we doing again?
Lightsaber fights. Where's
Oh,
mine?
Oh, I got a keyblade or something.
Okay.
Check out my keyblade. Well, I think we're missing a piece. A piece from right there.
All right. Since we can't figure it out, that must be the case. There's no other logical solution.
I mean, we can't be wrong. What if you just pick up your
Fuck no.
computer and shake it while upside down?
I'd be lying if I said I didn't do that already.
Yeah, man.
But sadly, there's dust underneath the CPU that I want to get to without. I guess that's kind of stupid. I really should just undo it, but I don't want to undo it. Not until tomorrow when I get thermal paste.
You know, maybe drunk James figured this out. Let me take a few shots.
Oh, that's a good idea. We should do mechanical work while drinking. Okay, well. Episode 1 of Vacuum Out the Dust from my computer. I think it's come to a close. Cheers.